For this video, we're going to look at both adding and removing columns and rows. Notice that we left this from the last video. What we have here is a worksheet with a range. Remember, this was a table and we converted it back to a range. So I want to convert this back to a table fairly quickly. Let me do my little trick here. I'm going to highlight the top part, the columns. I'm going to Control Shift down arrow, Control T. Click OK. Now we're back into a table. Let me add a column first. And I'm just going to start typing a header into this column. That's all I have to do. So let me type in new column. And I'm going to hit enter. Now watch what happens when I hit enter. What you just saw was the automatic addition of a column to this table. Excel is pretty clever. It goes, all right, if you're adding something to the right, if you're adding another column over here, chances are you want it part of the table. And so automatically it will add it to the table. It does it for you. Let's take a look at rows. Scroll down, scroll down. Here we go. Again, the same thing. We're just going to start typing in something down here. Once we're done, we'll hit enter. Now watch what happens. And it makes it part of the table as well. So that's the pretty cool thing about tables when you have Excel. You can start with a small table and add to it and expand to it, and Excel will automatically add that information into that table. Before we go, I want to get rid of what we just created. And getting rid of rows and columns is just as easy as making rows and columns. So here is the new row that we created. I'm going to click in it, and I'm going to go up to delete, and I'm going to do table rows. So I'm going to delete table rows. I don't want to delete the column. I'm going to delete the row, and the row is gone. It's as easy as that. Take a look at the columns. Scroll over, go on up. Here's a new column. I'm going to right click on it, go down to delete, and delete table column, and it's gone.